welcome to the long-awaited, not awaited, the highly unrequested makeup tutorial. No one wanted this, but I wanted to show you guys, so Okay, so here I'm showing you my brown eye pencil, and you can't see a damn thing, and I hope you can tell. And so here I am putting it on my eye, and this is going on my bottom lash line, so I'm putting it all over there. It does not matter how you do this. It does not matter how anything is done, because we're really just on a floating rock, as they say. And so here we go. Why am I so far away? Like, I feel like I've zoomed it out weird, but okay. So then you're gonna like rub it out with your finger. You can do it with a brush, but your finger works. And then you just like put it all around, and you blend it out onto your eyelid too. And then you put more. You put more on your eye, but like only like the little bit. Like, what would you call it? Like the outer third? Sure, I'm gonna call it the outer third. Thank you, me. I'm really helpful today. And you kind of like smudge that out again, so you're not like so emo raccoon. And then you do the other eye, and that's self-explanatory. So, and then you move your lamp because you're wanting to see, I guess, or whatever she wanted. And then you take a long time, and then you get out your white eye pencil, and it's really gross because it's a sharpener too. And so then you put it in your waterline, the lower one, not the top one. Okay, you can't show me a story. I'm doing something, okay? I can't see it and think, okay? And so, sorry. I'm here with somebody. You'll see at the end. Wait till the end of this video to see the reveal of who I'm with. If you can't tell. And then you do your other eye too. No, don't speak. And then you get really angry for some reason. I think my eye was watering or something. Why was I mad? And then you get out your highlighting powder. This is a good one that my mom gave me. All of my stuff is from my mom if it's not from me. Like, and I my favorite time is when she cleans out her bathroom, and then I'm like, okay, my turn, my makeup now. And so then you use a brush, and I'm looking for what kind of brush it is, but just use a brush. Who am I to tell you what brush to use? Okay. And so then you dip your brush into the product so that there's product on the brush. Who would have thunk? And then you put it on your inner corner and just like kind of all around, because like you can never do too much shimmer. And if you do, then that's your problem, not mine. I'm showing you a visual. You can kind of look and see. Okay, and then you get really close to the camera so that they can see nothing. My thing turned off. I got really scared. And then you take your finger and you put some powder on your finger, and then you highlight your nose, like the little tip of your nose, and then like the part in between your eyebrows, and then and then your lip, and then if you want to use blush, this is the one that I use sometimes, and so I'm saying you can put it like right there on your cheek, and then your cheekbone, and then I'm saying nah, I'm not doing it today. Okay, long and drawn out, sure. And then if you were to do it, here's how you would do it. You would do it with a brush, idiot. And then here's my favorite mascara, and then there is the container that I kept so I could show you guys, and I'll show a different picture probably. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Who cares? And then you have to get the gloop off of the tip of the mascara. That's what I'm saying here. Because if you like put it in and then like you take it out, and then you would get the mascara wand out, and then there's like a gloopy bit, and you don't want that because then that would get everywhere. And so you clean it off on the bottle, which is, yeah. And then for mascara, you put it on. You blink on the brush, and then it goes on your lash. And the way I do it is I focus it on the outer corner so that it makes your outer corner has lots of mascara on it. And then inner corner, you do it too. Yeah. She's blinking it on there, and I think this is pretty much, yeah. And then there's the bit where you put really a lot of focus on your outer corner, and then you do the bottom, because if you don't do the bottom, then it looks crazy, at least for me, and for this look. I
don't do my bottom, I just blink, and then some of it will get on my bottom lashes.
Yeah, I have to do it like individually because I have a lot of lashes. So like, guys, don't be surprised if yours doesn't look like mine, because I was blessed with a lot of lashes. I'm gonna say thank you, Dad, probably. Mom, not so much. I'm sorry.
I had to trim my bottom lashes the other day.
That's weird.
They got way too long.
And then this is me doing the other eye. It's like the same exact thing, but the only difference is that I use my other hand. People don't do that, but that's what I do. And then what am I doing here? I'm saying you have to wait for it to dry. Ooh, you have to wait for it to dry. So while you're waiting for it to dry, you do something else. And something else is your brows. Do your eyebrows. And so I'm brushing them up here with gel. This is a clear gel. And then I'm flipping it over so there's more product on the other side. You brush them up, because that's what I do.
I've never done that with my eyebrows.
Yeah, I do that all the time. And then I say, no, that looks crazy, because it does look crazy. And so I'm looking in the mirror, and I'm looking. I feel like you should more look like, and yeah. And so you brush out the top part so there's kind of like a line. Woo! I turned off again. Sorry, guys. And making sure you're still listening. And then you kind of like have to do the other part like again, because it doesn't always turn out so good. And then you should have like a cute little arch. A cute arch in your brow.
You know who else has
a cute arch in your brow?
It's me.
And so then you should have eyebrow. And then I have a cowlick on my eyebrow. I think that's what it's called. And so,
On your eyebrow?
yeah. On this
Oh, no, because me too.
Yeah, and my hair sticks straight up no matter what I do. And sometimes it'll go down a little bit, but I'm like, no, this doesn't look right. Doesn't look like my face. So, like, if you're seeing your eyebrow, it's still sticking straight up, it's supposed to do that. Ever heard of being how it is? Mm-hmm. And so I kind of do it to the other one as well, so there's like a little bit of evenness. And then I'm saying, ooh, they're so straight. And then this is my lip combo. And so I use an e.l.f. one that I got, or that my mom got me for Christmas. Because I lost my lip liner, but then I found it again. But she didn't know I found it again. So she got me another one. Thank you, Mama. And then this is the one that I lost, and so I bought another one. Something same shade. Why am I gasping? I'm shocked it's the same shade. But then they're also a little bit different, so that's why I have both of them. Because the original one is like, maybe it's more pink than the one I have. I don't know, but they're a little bit different. One's more pink than the other one. But this is whipped caviar from NYX. It's pretty good. I've been using the e.l.f. one a lot. And I think I thought it looked like a 6-7, but I was doing like either or. That happens a lot to me. So I'm using the e.l.f. one. And so you put the lip liner on the line of your lip. If you have ever heard of that. And so, was I adjusting the lighting, or what was I doing? I wasn't paying attention. You should be, though. And so then you just do it, like, I follow my natural lip line instead of overlining. Maybe it's, like, slightly overlined, because I'm not as good at drawing in lines, because I can't see. Hey, guys. Glasses mode activate. But that comes later. And so, this takes a long time. But then you just do the bottom, the same as your lip line. And then you kind of like fill in the edges too. I think that's what I'm doing here. I think I was gonna sneeze and then I didn't. That's what happened there. And then you're confused. Why am I confused? I ask myself these questions. Anyway, while she's doing this, so then I'm putting on, this is my favorite one, my lippic. It's Revlon Kiss and Sweet Cherry. I think it tastes delicious. It smells delicious.
She's eating that shit.
Well, I don't eat it, but I mean, like, If it gets in my mouth, I'm not mad. And then this is my second coat of mascara. Sometimes I'll do it, sometimes I won't. Like, I look really wishy-washy here, but I'm gonna do it. Don't worry. I'll show you how it's done. It's the exact same thing, but I'm mostly just doing it on, like, the outer corner again, because that's the part that you really want to accentuate so that it looks like your eyes look like something. I don't really know. This is not an exact science. Someday it could be, though. Just y'all wait. Why am I think I was confused because, like, it got, like, clumpy or something. That is a fair warning. It could get clumpy. God forbid. Well,
I think God does forbid.
he might. I haven't asked. And then you get the other hand and you put the mirror in the other hand, and then you... Also, by the way, I only have one clip because I lost the other one. I don't know where it went. It's blue. If y'all see it, you let me know. If you know where it is, you go ahead and tell me.
We're like Dora.
Do you see my blue clip anywhere? I've searched the whole dorm. Where is it? I don't think I brought it home.
Oh, I remember when you searched.
Mom, you tell me if I brought it home.
No.
Okay, anyways, this is the end of the video. And end of the line. Like from the Lego movie.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping some of you guys caught that.
I look like a balding man.
Because you are. Anyway, this is what the makeup would look like if it was a different day. But it's... Because this is I don't even remember when this was.
I don't know, because I've been asking you for like weeks.
And then I finally recorded it. And then... So this is... But after like a day. But I haven't been wearing it for a day. This is from this morning. And then...
It's approximately 3:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah, and
No.
Upkeep and maintenance required. And here's Relly not wearing the makeup. So this is what you would look. This is before. This is after.
I'm not wearing any makeup today.
Yeah, but you're not wearing the makeup I'm wearing either. So it's like this is what you would look like without it, and then this is what you would look like when you have it on. Because you would change like everything about you, and then you would be different, and that's how you would look if you had this makeup on.
This is what you would look like if you had my face.
And then you actually changed it, and then you were my face, but wearing makeup. And that's the end of the video. Hey, I'm a dreamer. Think fast.
You may say
No!
I'm a dreamer. I just felt like the sheep. I almost said, oh, intimate.